Hi, welcome back to Joe's Galley. Well, the festive season's upon us. Time to show off your cooking skills. I'm going to show you today how to cook a brown Italian biscuit my relatives used to cook every Christmas. My mother cooks them. They are absolutely sensational. She's been cooking these going back since as long as I can remember. And they are absolutely great. They're going to leave a big impression on you. You're going to love them. And you can cook them any time of the year. So, pour yourself a sherbet. We'll get going. So leave it there. First off, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, you're going to need 500 grams of plain flour and 500 grams of self-raising flour. Grab a teaspoon of carb soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon ground cloves, and a teaspoon of pepper. Once that's all into the mix, you're going to need the rind of 1 lemon and 1 orange. What you're going to do now is make a bit of a hole in the flour mixture, pour in about 700 grams of treacle, and then a cup of warm water. And then what you're going to do is with a wooden spoon, work it around, work it around, work it around, work it around, spinning the bowl all the time until it's sort of kind of mixed in, and then you go in with your hands. Work it in and work it and knead it until it's all mixed in, Make yourself that dough, Okie doke then, you've got your dough, you've worked it all in and it looks nice and even, absolutely beautiful. What you're gonna do is splash a bit of flour on some sort of bench top that you've got, or you know, a wooden block, or whatever you got there, and pull yourself off a piece of dough about the size of a golf ball. Roll it in your hand, then drop it onto your bench and start to roll it into a sausage, And then what you're gonna do is when you get into a sausage, turn the ends opposite and work it in together until it makes a little shape. Then, straight after that, you can decorate it with slivers of almonds or something like that. You might use your imagination, you might use hundreds of thousands, I don't know. Anyway, get that all done, and then what it's going to do is grab it and stick it in that warm oven. 10 minutes only. Isn't that fantastic? And what's going to happen? It's going to come out, it's going to be nice and a little bit of a crunch on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. We'll bring it out and put it onto, what are those rack things called? Cooling rack. Cooling rack. You're going to put on a cooling rack. That's it. That's all you have to do. They'll turn out fantastic. Okay, that's the biscuits my mum makes all the time for Christmas, ever since I can remember. And let me try one. I'm just going to give it a go and see what, they don't look real good, but they taste sensational. They are sensational. Mate, these are so good. Good for the festive season. Between Christmas and New Year, you can cook them anytime. Mate, they are the best. I love them. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody that's watched my shows this year. Merry Christmas. Good on you. I hope you've enjoyed the shows, because I've enjoyed making them for you. And I'm going to make heaps more. Next of all, I'd like to thank all the people that help make us a beautiful life. We've got the people that protect us, people that feed us, people that keep us healthy. I want to wish them all a sincere Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Now, Don't give the mainstream media what they want. They want death, they want carnage, they want disease, they want this, they want that, misery. Don't give it to them. This year, be safe, be happy, love each other, and I'll catch you again soon. Merry Christmas.